For this video, I'm going to be doing a quick little review of the Proctor Silex 0.6 cubic foot microwave oven. You know, when I was looking for a microwave oven, I wanted something that was small and wouldn't take up a lot of space. I live in an upstairs apartment and, I was looking for something that was like, dorm size, office size. I didn't want a full-size microwave oven, so I shopped around for a while and I found this one on sale at Target. This was a bargain too. It was only $48. And if you look at a lot of the smaller and cheaper microwave ovens, a lot of them don't have a light inside, but this one thankfully does. I'm really happy about it. And so far I've cooked about 8 meals in it, and every dinner has come out great. So it's a very effective microwave, even though it is a little on the small side. I mean, most of the small microwave ovens of this class are usually 0.7 cubic feet. So this one's especially compact at 0.6. It's definitely not a good microwave oven if you've got a big family and you're cooking, I guess, a lot of larger meals, because you just about have enough space for a TV dinner, and then after that the carousel starts bumping the walls. You know, when I purchased the unit, I wasn't quite sure who made Proctor Silex anymore. It's a Hamilton Beach company, and I believe manufactured by Galanz over in China. Even though, it's made in China, the quality is really good. I mean, the build quality is excellent. There's no sharp edges around the doors or anything that you're going to cut your hand on. Another reason why I picked this particular unit is, the smaller microwave ovens, they only pull 700 watts. So even like when they first turn on at their surge, it should only be about 1400 watts at its peak draw. That's small enough to pretty much run on almost any portable generator. And that was important to me because I live in a fairly rural area and we lose the electricity more often than I'd care to admit. So I do have to run a portable generator from time to time, and I wanted some way to be able to cook food. And this is probably one of the lowest power draws of any ovens that I know of. 700 watts is really good. Toaster ovens, you would think, don't pull that much power, but they do. They usually are about 1200 watts, which is a lot harder to manage on a portable generator than 700 watts. This microwave oven has the 6 specialized buttons for different functions, like heating a beverage and popping a bag of popcorn, which is good because, if you are accustomed to an 1100 watt microwave oven, like a full-size one in your kitchen, and then you go down to a 700 watt microwave, all the timetables that you're accustomed to with that full-size microwave, they're going to be off, and you're not going to know the microwave power settings or the timetables. So it's good that they have those specialized buttons to get you reacquainted to a smaller size and smaller power output microwave like this one. The bottom line for this particular Proctor Silex microwave is I'm very satisfied with this purchase. I'm really happy with the build quality and the amount of space it takes up. It's just the perfect size for small areas. It's surprisingly quiet for its size. It heats up food really well, and does a great job with popcorn. I was really surprised with the lower wattage and still doing a good job with that. So overall, I would highly recommend this Proctor Silex unit. It's an amazing deal for $48. I'd still be happy with it even if I paid $60 or $70. It's just the perfect unit for a small apartment. So thanks for watching another appliance review by the notorious Mr. G. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.